What's going on, guys? We are in Hazlet, New Jersey. What we're looking at right now is an IKO Dynasty Granite Black install we did a few weeks back, and as you can see, I mean, it's an awesome color for like a khaki light brown color siding. And the reason we're seeing that is because they ended up referring their neighbor across the street. So right now we're ripping off this roof, and this is going to be Sedona is the color, which is kind of in like I guess the brown family, which, like I said to you guys the last time, was you're going to start to see all the colors, and little by little you'll see it on different styles of homes, different colors, which it gives you a nice idea, and it gives you ideas for your own home when the time comes. But this right here, these roofs, these homes are only, I think, 20 something, 21, 22, maybe 23 years old. The roofs, I mean, look at the neighbors, right? So the shingles are missing on almost every home out here. A lot of storm damage, and it's time anyway. So they're all old 3-tab shingles, and the time was the time was here to replace, and then we got hit with a bunch of windstorms, which blew off a bunch of shingles. So right here is the Granite Black. Right here is going to be the Sedona, and then right around the corner down there is where we did GAF charcoal, which is very similar to the Granite Black. So this is the tear off, and we're getting down to the bare wood. The roof's not too old. There's going to be, though, as you can see, a lot of step flashing. So anywhere that the roof meets siding, there's a lot of step flashing, and we got to redo up there. So there's a lot of areas that need new step flashing, and I'll show you guys once we get everything torn off. I know I always say I'll check back in, and then and then I check back in super late when it's getting dark, but I'll check back in with you guys in a couple hours when we're actually putting the material on the roof system, and then you can see everything. But this is going to be IKO Dynasty Sedona, and right across the street is IKO Dynasty Granite Black. So it's the third one in this little neighborhood over the last 2 months, and I'm sure it won't be our last. Most of the neighbors need it out here if they haven't already done it. And this is it. Materials there in the driveway. We got the dumpster. So this is what we're looking at, guys. All right, I will check back in with you guys when we start putting the material on, and I'll give you a quick run through on how we build our roof systems, and why it makes sense to go with a pro. Take care, guys.